Amen, what it is. You already know who it is. T. Joe. Zero for the O, you feel me? And today I got another video for y'all again. I know y'all probably getting tired of me. You know what I'm saying? Keep making videos, keep uploading, but I don't care. Y'all just gonna have to deal with it because I'm finna be the new face of YouTube, no cap. Like I'm not even talking confidently. I'm just saying, like, as long as I keep this up, I'm gonna be the new face of YouTube. Like, I'm gonna get up there. But look though, anyways, y'all, for this video, I got something new. Got something new for today. If you know me, you know I'm a car guy. You know, car, bikes, anything with a motor, anything that got an exhaust. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter if it's a lawnmower. It doesn't matter if it's your grandmother's house. It don't matter. If it got an exhaust, I probably like it. So yeah, today I got a new series that I'm trying to start. Since it's the first video, I really don't know how I know I'm gonna keep it up. Like I know I'm gonna keep it going as long as possible, but I don't know like how quickly I'm gonna be able to get videos out on this new series. But like if people like the video, if people like, they like the series, they like the video, they like it's bringing in views and stuff, then I make sure like I'm staying on top of it. But like I said, this video got something to do with the car. Now, recently I had just got this new car. Not so new, but like, new to me. I got a new car, and yeah, for the most part, I was really not trying to claim the car. I wasn't even trying to claim the car. I haven't even named her yet, simply because the car is like a more old school car and it's a sedan. And me, I'm a coupe guy, you know what I'm saying? I love the coupes, I love the sports cars. That's just Joe. Like, you know what I'm saying? The coupes drive how I play sports. Quick, nimble, efficient, agile. I love coupes, man. I love coupes, especially manuals. But recently I got this car for real, and I just been using it to get to and from school, and just get around. And at first, my intention was like, okay, I'm gonna just use the car for maybe a couple weeks, and then I'll probably sell it because I was like, this is not really me. But I'm not gonna lie. Over time, a couple of gas station fill ups and a couple of highway bips, and next thing you know, I'm actually kind of loving the car. Like, it's a really good quality car. I can't complain. Like it's holding its own. So yeah, like I think I'm gonna have to keep her. So while I'm keeping the car, or while I decided to keep the car, I just figured, why not? Why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not pimp my ride? Why not turn this car into something that's gonna make all the car enthusiasts turn their head and get jealous? Because they get jealous when they see a sexy car. It don't matter how old it is. They just gonna be jealous because it's like, ooh, like, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna lie, my goal is to like kind of pimp this car out, get it looking right, and then even take it to a couple car meets and stuff and really like, I don't know, just vibe out. But yeah. But anywho, y'all, while y'all here, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And even if you don't comment, even if you don't like the video, just subscribe and share the video. That's all you really got to do. That's all I'm asking for. Just subscribe and share the video. You don't want to be subscribing when we at 1,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? You want to be known as the OG. So go ahead, subscribe now and get it out the way so that, you know what I'm saying, when I start hitting 1,000, 10,000, a million, you're going to be able to say, oh, yeah, I was there since day one. And I would be able to say, yeah, you know what, you're right, because I remember you subscribing. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. But anyways, man, we're going to get into the video for now. But before I do anything, this video really is just like, we just basically, like, this is the first ever car wash I've ever done with this car. We getting her cleaned up, because I'm not going to lie, she's dirty. She's a dirty girl, man. She's dirty. So we're going to get her cleaned up. And then after that, after we get her cleaned up, we're going to detail her, get her cleaned out, have her looking nice and pristine, give her the care that she needs. Cause I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been taking good care of her, but that changes today. It changes today. So yeah, and what's a better way to make some content for a video than that? But yeah, for now, I'm finna show y'all the car and show y'all what she looking like. And I know what y'all thinking. Oh my God, Joe, that hoodie's so fire. Where you get that hoodie from? I ain't finna tell you. It's like, nah, this hoodie though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm only doing this because I really love this hoodie. No cap. Like, I knew I was gonna wear it for this video just because like it just looked too good. But For this hoodie, y'all, it's a brand called Narcissistic, my friend's brand. Like, and I ain't gonna lie, it's a dope brand. If people interested in the brand, just comment it. Just comment like that you interested, or drop Narcissistic in the comments, and I'ma put the link in the description. You know what I'm saying? Because it's tough. Like, it's not available anymore because it's based on like drops and stuff. But he might bring it back. You know what I'm saying? My man might bring it back. So you definitely want to be tuned in case he do, because you can't lie. Hold on, let me set up the camera so you show y'all what the hoodie look like. All right, so yeah, you can't even lie. You know what I'm saying? It look good, it's tough. You know what I'm saying? Fit check, got the calm little hoodie, Narcissistic. Ooh, like I'm not gonna lie, it looked too good, especially with my skin complexion, like. But you know, got the sweatpants and the retro threes, man. Just something slight. I'm just washing the car. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? I'm not doing nothing crazy. But still though, this hoodie's super comfortable. Like, I know y'all jealous. I know y'all jealous. I know y'all jealous, man. But anyways, let me show y'all the car. Anywho, y'all, this is old girl right here. I don't know if y'all can tell how dirty she is, but she need a little bit of cleaning though. But for the most part though, this car pretty pristine. Yeah. I ain't even gonna lie, it looks pretty, like, you know what I'm saying, pretty basic now. But by the time I start upgrading her and like getting her right, I'm telling y'all, bro, this car is gonna be something serious. Don't say nothing about my wheels or my tires, man. I know they need some work. Don't say nothing. But yeah, though, this is my baby right here. Now let me show y'all what the interior looking like. Need y'all to be able to see that difference. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess, bro. Like I said, don't do me, man. Don't do me, I'm human. But look though, it's a bit dirty, you know. I got stuff on the floor and stuff. Could be better. But overall, like, it's nice, clean, got that nice old school leather on it. You know, got the, you know what I'm saying, got a little play in the steering wheel. got a crack on the windshield. That actually just happened not too long ago. Yeah, gonna definitely have to clean this John out. You know what I'm saying? She's dirty. She's, you know what I'm saying? I got Dr. Pepper cans, got ratchet straps on the ground. Like, I ain't even gonna lie. She's in need of good care. But it's all good, y'all, cause we finna take her to the car wash and get her right. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. I ain't gonna lie, this sun feels so good out. I thought it was gonna be way colder, but it ain't really cold at all. Like, but it's kind of cold, but not too cold. So I'm glad I ain't wearing no bubble coat. But it's my baby right here. So yeah, I'ma go ahead and get the rest of my stuff. We gonna head to the car wash and go ahead and get her cleaned up. All right, y'all. We currently here at the car wash, and I'm not gonna lie, it's packed out here. Like, I did not think this many people were gonna be washing their cars, which is kind of crazy because this is probably one of the only like manual car washes you can go to. But yeah, I'm finna get out, set up the camera, and wash old girl. But because of all the noise and stuff, I'm gonna have a video on like a time lapse or whatever. I can't record just like a straight video. One, if I did, it would probably be like 10 minutes long of just me just literally washing the car. So I'm gonna put it on a little time lapse, let y'all watch it out and stuff. And yeah, but yeah, let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so we finished washing the car and such. So yeah, I mean, I didn't really get to use the air dryer, so we just gonna let it dry off a little bit. I'm kind of sick because like I feel like I should use it, but I don't really got no more coins to put in there, so we just gonna have to work with what we got, but let me show you what she looking like though. Yeah, as y'all can see, man, she looking real nice, real squeaky clean. I'm gonna try to reverse into the shades to give it a chance to dry off, because you're not supposed to let it dry off in the sun, because that's bad for, like, it's not gonna dry properly. So, but I'm not gonna lie though, she looking clean, man. She looking real clean. I'm actually kind of happy because, yeah, my baby, she been begging for a car. She was like, oh no, please wash me. And I just been neglecting her, but here we are. So yeah, I'm gonna go off into the shade, give it like 20 minutes to like kind of dry off, because I didn't really get the chance to use the air dryer. I don't got no more coins on me, but then after that, we'll be cuter. We finna be on our way to back home, get the car cleaned out, detailed. We're gonna, get everything looking nice and pristine, because she looking clean on the outside, but she's a dirty girl on the inside. So we gotta even it out. All right, y'all. So we back at the crib. You know what I'm saying? I had to get changed because it's finna get hot. I'm not gonna lie. It's finna get hot. So yeah, I'm finna go ahead and get started. Start detailing the car, cleaning her out, getting her nice and pristine. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set the phone up and let y'all watch how to properly clean y'all car. Okay, y'all, for the most part, the car is cleaned up. She cleaned up, but of course we can't leave her alone without adding the finishing touches. I don't even know if it's gonna focus. Right here, got the vanilla caramel and spice universal fragrance oil. It's from Better Homes and Gardens. This is not sponsored either, but you can get this from Walmart for pretty cheap. Every time you clean your car, you always want to put a few drops on the carpet and everything of this in there, because I'm telling you, you get a young lady in your car, she get to smelling this, I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna leave with something. You get what I'm saying? But so yeah, you're gonna get a couple drops of this oil right here, and then just put it on the carpet, put it on the seats, put it on everything. Just, don't overdo it. But I mean, you can't overdo it, because it's better to be smelling good than smelling like booty. But yeah, just a couple drops of this will get you right. Anyways, y'all, you want to get the oil like this and just dab it all around. You don't want to use too much, but it's better to use too much than too little. Especially if you know that you're walking around with your car smelling like butt. You gotta get right. My car ain't smelling like butt, but I love that vanilla fragrance. Like, I'm addicted to it. And then you wanna put it all over the regular carpet too. Just like that. I'm low-key using a little bit too much, and then over the seat. But over the seat, I'm not doing too much because it's leather. But yeah, you wanna, like I said, just dab it everywhere. I'm telling you, bro. If you do what I just did and your car isn't smelling nice, you're the problem. Okay, y'all, she officially all cleaned up. Essential oil down, you know what I'm saying? It smells fantastic here. I will not lie to you. Let me show y'all the final product. Anywho, y'all, that's it for today's video, you know what I'm saying? Just a cool little car wash and cleaning, you know, detailing video. And yeah, I figured I was gonna do that anyway. Might as well turn it into some content. You know, whatever come to mind. But anyways, man, this is the end of the line. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, show love to the channel, and most of all, share the video, man. We only going up from here.